Hi, I'm Gary Parker of the ECA. In another video, we looked at designing distribution boards. Now we're going to have a look at designing a busbar trunking system. In another video, we designed a feed to a distribution board. Now we're going to design a new feed using a busbar trunking system. To do that, we activate our existing board by left-clicking on and highlighting it in blue, and we click on this symbol here, the busbar trunking system. This looks similar to any other design that we would normally use. The only main difference is the busbar trunking section in the middle. Here we select our type and arrangement of busbar trunking. So in this case I'm going to use 3-phase and neutral to give us a single phase option later on, and we're going to choose our type of busbar trunking. Now we're going to choose what type of busbar manufacturer we're going to use, and we do this in the same way as we would do cables. I'm going to choose a zucchini with a copper conductor rated at 500 amps. We can specify whether the trunking is end-fed or not. If we choose end-fed, we simply tick this box and the trunking will be designed with an end feed. If we want to feed it at some point in the system, we change the length of the trunking, in this case 10 meters, and distance from the left-hand side to the feed point. I'm going to select 5 here, so that's saying that it's center-fed. Number of tap-offs, we'll say 2 in this case. When it comes to selecting the protective device, we use the same system that we would do ordinarily for any other circuit. In this case, I'm going to choose a 100 amp fuse. And we'll try a generic manufacturer. And we'll just check these to see if they're okay. And both a BS88 and a BS1361 are fine. And now we can see on the screen a busbar trunking system. This is showing that there's a tap-off coming off to the left and the right of the incoming feed. If we wish to put a load from this tap-off, we right-click and choose whatever type of load we want, in this case another distribution board. This is exactly the same as designing any distribution board system, apart from there's a distance from the feed of the busbar trunking. It's automatically specified at -2.5, but I'm going to say -5 here. We can choose a cable for the busbar feed. We can choose a cable for the feed to the distribution board. And we'll choose a 16mm cable. And we'll choose a protective device for that feed. In this case, I'll put a 63 amp fuse in. And we'll go with a generic BS88, but first of all, we'll just check if those devices are okay, and that's fine. So now we've chose our protective device, we simply click OK. And now we've got a feed out to a new DB -5 meters from this busbar trunking feed. So now we've seen how to design a busbar trunking system in DesignGenie. I hope that helps. See ya.